Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? Are you fine? Alhamdulillah. Okay, today we have a lesson for the 6th grade, first term. Our subject today is English. Our lesson, Unit 3, Sports and Activities, Grammar in Action, page 20. My name is Badr Swedan, with me teacher Saleh Al-Ajan. Okay, what you will learn today? You will learn how to be able to practice short answer questions using do and does. Also, you will be able to distinguish the different kinds of activities and be able to ask as many questions as they can about sports and activities. Okay, before we start, let's make a revision for the last classes. Okay, sports and activities. Sports and activities. Okay, last time we took sports and we talk about the sports, okay? Like what? Volleyball, basketball, okay? Today we will take more sports and then we will take more activities. Okay. First of all, we have common sports. Common sports. What does it mean, common sports? And what does it mean, dangerous sports, okay? Common sports means you can do it alone, okay? Don't ask anybody to do it, okay? But dangerous, you have to be aware of doing it by telling your parents or your teachers or any adults, okay? So let's start with the common sports. Like what? Can you tell me what is this sport? Yes, this is what? Excellent, yes, tennis, okay? So we have tennis. This is the first sport we took last time, okay? What is this? What is this sport? This is what? Football, excellent, yes, foot. This is foot and ball, football, excellent. Okay, so football. And look at the word ball, okay? We have A-L-L. If you find A, then A-L-L, you will pronounce the letter A as O, all, ball. Why? Because we have double L after A, okay? Football, excellent. Okay, what is this sport? Yes, we have basketball. Basketball, excellent, basketball. So this sport is talking about basketball. That's right. Okay, what is this? Yes, we have, what is this animal? A horse, excellent, yes. Can you tell me what is this sport? Yes, excellent. We have horse riding, that's right, excellent. Okay. What about this sport? Yes, we have a net and we have two teams throwing the ball. Yes, excellent. Yes, we have volleyball, excellent. So we have a volleyball. Okay, now let's move to the dangerous sports. Okay, first of all, can you tell me what is this? We have a sea and this person inside the water. Yes. Can you tell me what is this sport? Excellent. We have scuba diving. Excellent. So we have scuba diving, swimming inside the sea. Excellent. Okay, now we have another person. He is swimming in the sky. Okay. Can you tell me what is the sport? Excellent. We have skydiving. Okay. So the first one, scuba diving, and this is sky diving. Excellent, sky diving. Okay, now we have a person and he's flying in the sky. What is this called? Excellent, yes, hang gliding. Excellent. After that, we have this person and there is a rope, okay, with catching his feet. Can you tell me what is this sport? Yes, so we have bungee jumping, excellent. Okay, what is the sport? We have a person here. He is climbing the mountain. Can you tell me what is the sport? Yes, rock climbing, excellent. Rock climbing, okay. And look at the B here. B here is silent. Don't say climbing, no, it's climbing, excellent. So rock climbing. Okay. After that, we have this question. What sport or activity do you like? Sport or activity. Okay, so you can say I like and tell me what you like. Okay, for example, I like football. Excellent. Okay, also, what the question, what sport or activity do you want to try? Okay, do you want, you don't know if you like it or not, but you want, okay, to try it. So, what sport or activity do you want to try? Okay, so you can say, I want to try what? Excellent. Horse riding, for example, volleyball, okay, any other sports or activities. Okay, now, we have a question here. Read and match with the pictures. So we have a picture here, and we have 10 sports. 10 sports, okay? So we will match. We will match. Can you tell me, what is this? Yes, we have bungee jumping, football, rock climbing, volleyball, hang gliding, snowboarding, skydiving, tennis, scuba diving, and horse riding. Okay, now, can you tell me what is this? Excellent. That's right. It's what? Football. Okay, B. What is this sport? Yes, it's a tennis. Excellent. Tennis. So we have tennis. Okay. C. We have these people here in the snow. Yes, can you tell me? Excellent. Snowboarding. Snowboarding. Okay. Now, what is this? Yes, horse riding. Excellent. Horse riding. Okay. Now, tell me what is this sport? Yes, someone, yes, falling down with a rope. Yes, excellent. We have bungee jumping. Bungee jumping. Excellent. Okay. Now we have a man here. This man is climbing the mountain. What is the sport? Rock climbing. Excellent. Rock climbing. Okay. Now, what about this man? Yes, we have person here in the sky coming down. Excellent. That's right. So skydiving. Skydiving. Okay. H. What about this person? We have a person here in the sea, inside the water. Excellent. Scuba diving. Scuba diving. Okay. What about this sport? Yes. Hang gliding. Excellent. Hang gliding. Okay. What about the sport? You know it. It's what? Volleyball. That's right. So, excellent. You did all the sports right now. Okay. Now, before we start, what you will learn today, you will learn how to be able to practice short answer questions using do and does. Also, be able to distinguish the different kinds of activities. Distinguish, okay? What is the difference between this and that? Differentiate, okay? Distinguish. Be able to ask as many questions as you can about sports and activities. Okay, now, on page 20, we have our lesson today, Grammar in Action. Now, open your books on page 20. Page 20, 20. Page 20. Okay, did you open it? Excellent. Okay, now, number one, listen and practice. Listen and practice. Okay, now, first of all, what is this? Yes, this is a football. Excellent, you know it. So, football, this is football. Okay, now, do you like football? Do you like football? Yes, you like it, you love it. Do you like football? Yes, okay. If yes, you will say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like it? Yes, I like. I do. Okay? If I ask you, you will answer about yourself, okay? I. So, do you like football? Yes, I do. Excellent. Okay. If you don't like it, what you will say? You will say what? No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't love it. I don't like it. I don't like football, for example, okay? So, again, do you like football? Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Excellent. So, if the question use you will answer about yourself, I. Okay, so, yes, I do. Excellent. Okay, okay. Now, can you tell me what is the sport? Yes, small ball. Excellent. This is tennis. Okay. Do you like tennis? Do you, okay? Do you like tennis? What you will say? Yes, I. Excellent. Yes, I do. Or if you hate it, don't like it, what you will say? No, I don't. Excellent. Okay. If you like it, you will say, yes, I like. If you don't like it, you will say, no, I don't. Excellent. Okay. Can you tell me what is the sport? Yes, basketball. Excellent. Basketball. Okay. Do you like basketball? What will you say? Yes, I. Excellent. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. If you don't like it, you hate it, you will say, no, I don't. Excellent. No, I don't. So if you don't like it, you will say no, and we will add not. Okay. What is this? This is not, but it's attached to the word do. So we have do not, but you can attach them together and says don't. So you can no, I do not, or you can say no, I don't. Don't, do not. The same. Okay. So don't, no, I don't. So if you have no, you will add not. If you don't have no, don't add not. Okay. So yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay. No, not. No, not. Excellent. Okay. Now, what is this sport? Yes, we have a horse. Yes, horse riding. Excellent. Horse riding. Okay. Do you like horse riding? Can you tell me? Do you like horse riding? If yes, what you will say? Yes, I do. Excellent. Yes, I do. If you don't like it, what you will say? No, I don't. Excellent. No, I don't. Okay. So don't forget to add not with no. Not with no answer. Okay. Now we have also a game here, a sport. What is this? Yes, this is a excellent golf. Excellent. Do you play golf? Do you play it? Do you play? Don't. It's not like do you play it? If you play it, you will say what? Yes, I do. If you don't play it, you will say what? No, I. Excellent. No, I don't. No, I don't. If you play it, you will say yes, I do. If you don't play it, you will say no, I don't. Excellent. Yes. Okay. Now we have the same sport, the same game, golf. Okay. But now, does he like golf? Now we have another person. Okay. A man or a boy. Okay. So not you, not me. It's him, he. Okay. So the question here: does he like golf? Does he like golf or not? Okay. Not you, not me, him. Okay. So again, the question: does he like golf? Okay. Now the answer is yes, he does. Yes, he does. Not do, does. Okay. If not, you will say no, he doesn't. Doesn't. Okay. So now we use does instead of do. Why? Because we have one person. We're talking about one person. Okay. A man or a woman, a boy or a girl. Only one. Okay. So if you're talking about one person, not you, not me, so you will add s. Okay. So instead of do, you will say does. Okay. Instead of you do, you will say does. Okay. The same with the negative answer here. No, he does not. Doesn't. Does not or doesn't. Why? Because we are talking about one person. Okay. Now we have this sport. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, volleyball. Excellent. This is a volleyball. Now we have a woman here or a girl. Okay. The question here: does she play volleyball? Does she play volleyball? Now we're talking about one person again. One person. Okay. So the answer here should be what? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Why does not do? Why we add s here? Because we are talking about one person. Not you, not me, about another person. So Again, yes, she does. If no, can you tell me how to answer the no? No, she doesn't. Excellent. So, no, she doesn't. If yes, you will say yes, she does with S. And if no, you will say no, she doesn't. Doesn't. Okay, why S? Again, because we have one person. Excellent. Okay, now we have another person here. So they are two, not one. How many? One, two. One, two. We have two people, two persons. Okay, now, do they play volleyball? Now we're talking about two people, not one, okay, two. So if we're talking about plural, you will say, yes, they do. Yes, they do. Okay, now we don't add S. Why? I don't say does. Why? Because we're talking about plural, 2, 3, 4, 5, not one. If only you have one person, you will add S. You have 2, 3, 4, 10, 100. No, don't add S. Okay? So here, in this context, we have two people. We will say they. They. Okay? They. So again, yes, they do. If no, no, they don't. Excellent. No, they don't. Okay? That's right. Okay. Now, do you? If you're talking about the person in front of you, do you? Okay? Again, we have does he. After that, we have does she. After that, we have do they. And last one here, we have do we. Okay. What does mean you? You. Okay. What does mean he? I'm talking about a man or a boy. What about she? Does she? We're talking about a woman or a girl. One. Okay. What about they? I'm talking about many people. Women, men, boys, girls, boys and girls, women and men. Okay. So they. After that, do we. Okay. If I have a friend next to me, that means we. Okay. We. Not you, not they. We. Me, my friend, the other friend. Okay. So we. Excellent. Now, this calls do and does calls what? Verb helpers. In Arabic means what? أفعال مساعدة. أفعال مساعدة. Okay. So verb helpers, we have do and does. Do and does. Okay. Now, if I have only one person, I will say does he. Does he, like here. Does he, then you can say whatever you want. Does he like football? Does he play golf? Okay, as you wish. After that, we have a woman here. Okay, and this woman, which one we can use? Only one? Yes, excellent. Does she? That's right. So, does she play football, for example? Does she like scuba diving? Okay, anything you want. Excellent. If we have two people, not one, two, which one I will use? Do they. Excellent. Do they. Why? Because we have two, not one. We have two. Excellent. Okay. Now, if you have two, you will say what? They, isn't it? Excellent. So we are talking about two, they. And we will use do. Do they. Do they. Okay. If I have only one person, I will say he. And I will use does with it. So I will say what? Does he. Does he. If I have two, I will say do they. Do they. Okay, can you tell me what about one woman? One woman. Okay, so it's she. Excellent. Does she. Does she. Perfect. Okay, if we have a cat, one cat, a cat, okay? If we have one, also I will say it. It does it, okay? So it belongs to what? Non-human, not man, not woman, okay? Not man, not woman, okay? Also with a pen, is it a man or a woman? No, so I will say it, okay? What about apple? The same, not man, not woman. So I will say it. Okay? If I have one cat, two cats, what should I say? I will say they. Excellent. So they. Do they. Okay? If you have two cats, three cats, four apples, five oranges, okay? Anything not human, you can use they. Okay, now we have does, it, he, she, okay? And we will say does it, does he, and does she. What about do? We will say you, we, I, they, do you, do we, do I, and do they. So we have 7 pronouns, 7 subject pronouns. Okay, now number 2, ball sports. Ball sports. You know ball, isn't it? Okay, this is a ball. So we have a sport here. What is this? Tennis. Excellent. What about this? Volleyball. Excellent. What about this? Basketball. That's right. Yes. What is this? Football. What about this? Golf. Excellent. Okay, now those sports, we call them ball sports, okay? And we use the verb play. So you will say, I play tennis. Do you play basketball? So we use play with those sports. Excellent. Okay, now, what about individual sports? Individual, okay? That means one person, he can play it alone. So we have a horse here. What is the sport? Horse riding. Excellent. Horse riding. So ride a horse. This is a verb. Ride a horse. Okay. I can ride a horse. Do you like riding a horse? Excellent. Okay. What about this man? He is jogging. Jog. So this sport is jog, called jog. Okay. What about this? Yes, excellent. We have a ski. Ski. Okay. In the snow. Last one, we have snowboard. Snowboard. What are the difference between those? We have a board, one big board. But about ski, we have 2 small boards. Excellent. Okay. After that, we have activities, not sports, activities. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Okay, like what? We have here an activity called pottery. Pottery, you use the mud to for any item you want. It's called pottery. And after that, we have a boy here. He is, yes, computer games. He is playing computer games. Excellent. Okay. After that, we have some people. What are they doing? They are painting. They are painting. Okay. And this is a game called what? Word games. Word games. Okay. Now, those are activities, okay? But some activities we use do, so I can say do pottery or do painting. But with some other activities, I will say play. Play computer games, play word games. So activities use both of those 2 verbs. Okay, what we've learned today, we've learned how to be able to practice short answer questions using do and does, be able to distinguish the different kinds of activities, be able to ask as many questions as you can about sports and activities, okay? This is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.